Hello YouTube team, my name is Ramandeep Kaur and my channel name is Tricky Puzzles TP. I am working on YouTube since 13 November 2020. This is my channel logo and here is my channel link. I have uploaded more than 139 videos on my channel during this period. But unfortunately, my channel has been rejected from YouTube partner program and monetization because of reused content. Now I want to show you that these all videos are my own creation, but still I am not approving for monetization. Now I want to show you some of my videos in YT Studio. Here is my videos which I uploaded on my channel. These videos are originally created by myself. In this video, I use any music it taken by a YouTube audio library, which is free. It may be a mistake from YouTube team during the checking of my channel that it is considering as reused content. Dear YouTube team, even a single part of my video is not taken from any other original content owner. If I used any a part in my video, that is belongs to me. Dear YouTube team, now I want to show you from where I download copyright free images and used them in my video. This is the website which I am using for my video. Now I will download some pictures and show you, and with that I will show you a video. Now I want to show you my software and my application where I edited my video. This is the application which I am using for my editing content. Let's suppose give a demo for editing and then I start edit it with my content with YT audio library. Here is the content which I am usually take it to edit. Now I want to show you music which is download from YT audio library. Here is the music is from recorder or audio sound. This music is from YT audio library and nothing else in this. I request to YouTube team please enable my monetization or YouTube partner program. Thanks.